Hey guys, here I am again. We're going to talk about your Scanbox. So, two things should have happened. So when you were in the office, you probably and hopefully you have downloaded the Smile Doctor Anywhere app. You'll notice that it's this little circle. I don't know if you can see that, but that's going to be the app that you're looking for. That is your Smile Doctor Anywhere app. You also will have received your Scanbox box, okay? So we're going to talk about everything that's going to happen here, but it's so easy. I want you to use the app. I want you to use the videos that are on the app to help you with this process. Once you get started, so easy, okay? Follow along with the videos and follow along with what I'm going to share with you. Inside your box, I know it's a little crazy, it's a little magnet, so some people are having trouble opening their box, but once you open your box, you are going to find three different things. You're going to find your Scanbox holder. This is for your phone. I'm going to show you this in a minute. And then inside here, you're going to find two different sizes. And these are your cheek retractors to help with the photos. So you will also find a little card that gives you information about how to do this, and it walks you through it. All right, but if you're using the app and the videos, you should be golden for this part. This part is going to hold your phone. There's a button right here. You're just going to push that in, and that helps you different size phones. Also, this button helps you to move this part because this is where your camera is on your phone. Now, whether you chose a small, medium, or large, this is going to go into this device. This part goes in your mouth. So you'll be scanning like this. You're going to choose Scanbox Pro. Remember that. You're also going to want to be in front of a mirror. That's what's going to help you. Not going to have someone else help you, but in front of the mirror. And you're also going to make sure to turn your volume up on your phone because you're going to listen to the lady and she's going to walk you through every part of it. Two different ways you're going to take pictures. Number one, you're going to have your aligners in and you're going to use this with your phone here. And you're going to be tapping the phone to take the picture. If you have a case, like some people do, you're going to probably want to take your case off to take your pictures. Once you are facing the mirror, this is in your mouth, your phone is placed on this side, you're going to take your pictures. And you're going to do it first with your aligners in and then with your aligners out. That gives us a base. The AI, myself, and Dr. Sellers are going to be watching those pictures that you send us each week. We're going to let you know, hey, you're doing a great job, teeth are moving right along, keep going. Or it may say, hey, hold up, we need a couple more days in this aligner. It's also a great way to reach out to us and say, hey, I'm going on vacation. Do you have any helpful tips for me? Or hey, I lost my aligner. Can you help me with that? Should I move on? We'll be able to answer all of those types of questions. So be ready to do that. Use your app. It's a great communication device. It's going to help us. It's going to help you to have the best treatment outcome. But what you want to do is download the app. You either did that while you were here in the office or you received an email that will take you to that app and you can download that. Then that first day, you're going to do your scan. That gives us our baseline, super important. Then the day that you're supposed to switch, I always think it's really good if you can to take those pictures first thing in the morning. It takes that AI about 4 to 6 hours to read that. Then it's going to say, hey, go ahead and move on to the next set of aligners. You're going to do that once a week for us. Anytime you have a question, Dr. Sellers, myself, and the Smile Doctor Anywhere AI is going to be able to help you. So please, please help us. We encourage you to do this, and it's really super simple. Whether you're young, you're old, no matter what type of phone you have, we've got you covered, and we're looking forward to helping you get through your treatment with Smile Doctor Anywhere.